Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Okay, first open up the settings and make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. Then scroll all the way down until you find About Phone. Then go to Software Information and you need to tap on the build number 7 times in a row real quick like that until you see that developer mode has been enabled. And then go back to the main page of the settings, scroll down, Developer Options, and you need to enable the OEM unlocking feature and click on Enable. If you don't see the feature, sometimes you must click Software Update, then click on Download and Install. If an update appears, you don't need to download it. You can pause it manually because we are doing it because thanks to that we are connecting to the Samsung server. And then go back to Developer Options and the OEM unlocking feature should appear eventually. Or you can try to turn them off and then turn them on again and reboot your device if it still doesn't appear. Okay, our bootloader isn't fully unlocked yet, and we need to remember that if we unlock the bootloader, the phone will perform the factory reset and everything will be erased. So that's the good moment to create a backup of your data. Okay, now we need to power off the device, hold power key and volume down, and select power off. Okay. Now, we need to have the USB-C cable that is connected to your computer as well. And now, we need to hold both volume keys, keep holding them, and now insert the cable. But don't release volume buttons, keep holding them until you see a menu. If you see the loading, unplug the cable, repeat it. It's pretty annoying, but sometimes it happens. You just gotta repeat sometimes. For example, again, I have to unplug. Now I need to hold again and insert the cable, but it will eventually appear. Simply keep holding until you see this menu. Now hold volume up and keep holding until the screen turns off. When it does, you can release and you have the question unlock bootloader, and now you gotta confirm by clicking volume up. That's the moment when the phone will perform the factory reset. Boom, confirm. We can unplug the cable, and now we can already see the sentence that this bootloader's phone is unlocked and its software integrity can be verified. And basically now we can, for example, install custom recoveries and custom ROMs. Now let's wait until the phone turns on. We are going to go quickly through the setup process and we'll verify the bootloader in developer options because it needs to look in a specific way. So currently we need to wait until the phone turns on. Okay, the phone has turned on. Select the language. I'll stick to English, of course. Click on OK. Now start. Agree. In my case, I'm about to rush through the setup, so I'm skipping everything because I want to show you that Bootloader is fully unlocked. More, accept, skip, skip. Skip, skip, more, agree, next, finish. Okay, now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi, and not connected devices, but connections, Wi-Fi, select available network, then connect to it, go back, scroll all the way down, about phone, software information, tap on the build number until developer mode is enabled, then scroll down to the main page of the settings, go back, then developer options, and it needs to look exactly like that. OEM unlocking feature is enabled, and we can see the sentence down below, bootloader already unlocked. This is how it needs to look like. That means that everything has been successfully unlocked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.